I am worthy of the life I desire. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I am confident in my abilities. I attract success in everything I do. My dreams are becoming my reality. I am open to receiving abundance. I am grateful for this new day. My potential is limitless. I release all fears holding me back. I am aligned with my highest self. I believe in my vision. I am motivated and focused. My actions lead to prosperity. I am a magnet for miracles. I choose to be happy now. I trust the journey of my life. I welcome positive change. I radiate confidence and charm. I am surrounded by supportive people. I am stronger than my challenges. I am deserving of love and kindness. My energy attracts success. I am fearless in pursuing my goals. I trust in divine timing. I am proud of how far I've come. I release negativity and welcome joy. My mind is focused on my goals. I am abundant in all areas of life. I am constantly growing and improving. I am grateful for my health. I am a source of inspiration to others. I choose to think positively. I am worthy of financial abundance. I am attracting wealth into my life. I am open to new opportunities. I deserve a life filled with happiness. My mind is clear and focused. I take inspired action daily. I trust myself completely. I am unstoppable. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am at peace with my past. I deserve success and prosperity. I am grateful for my unique gifts. I radiate positive energy. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am attracting wonderful experiences. I am a magnet for blessings. I am proud of who I am. I am ready to receive love. I attract people who uplift me. I am worthy of respect. I am filled with creativity and ideas. I am free from doubt. I am confident in my decisions. I am ready for my breakthrough. I am constantly attracting opportunities. I deserve to live my dream life. I am grateful for my journey. I am capable of anything I set my mind to. I am open to receiving unlimited blessings. I am motivated and determined. I attract harmony into my life. I am worthy of everything good. I am confident in my own skin. I choose peace over worry. I am attracting a life of abundance. I am a powerful creator. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I am ready to step into my greatness. I trust that everything is working out for me. I am worthy of love and joy. I am constantly learning and growing. I am creating a beautiful life. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am confident in my future. I am grateful for today's blessings. I am attracting money and success. I am a magnet for good luck. I am at peace with where I am. I am worthy of living my purpose. I am filled with endless possibilities. I am blessed beyond measure. I am always in the right place at the right time. I am stronger every day. I am creating a life I love. I am worthy of a joyful life. I am attracting opportunities for growth. I am loved and appreciated. I am capable of amazing things. I am grateful for my resilience. I am confident in my talents. I am attracting everything I desire. I am grateful for my progress. I am a beacon of light and positivity. I am ready for new adventures. I am worthy of financial freedom. I am creating a future full of abundance. I am proud of my achievements. I am ready to claim the life I deserve.